Welcome back to the summer series. We've got a fun little adventure planned for us today. Since the van and I will be on the road before the sun is up, I'm packing everything I need the evening before. Good morning! These shots were filmed through the back window of our X5, so they aren't the clearest, but I still really wanted to share this beautiful sunrise with you. Just a couple exits down the highway, and we've arrived at today's destination, the Columbia Bottom Conservation Area. The conservation area is located just north of the city of St. Louis and sits at the confluence of the Mississippi and Missouri rivers. It covers 4,000 acres which sprawl across like a lush green mosaic. We're here just in time to enjoy the last few moments of sunrise. The landscape here includes shallow wetlands, areas of hardwood trees, prairies, and even cropland. These habitats attract a wide variety of resident and migratory wildlife. It's so wonderful to see so much biodiversity just outside the city limits, and it offers many opportunities to get out and experience nature, just like we are today on our sunflower safari. In years past, the number of sunflowers were almost overwhelming. They grew alongside many of the roads and covered large fields. This year, however, we had to do a bit of driving to find them, so we headed down to the boat ramp to enjoy some riverfront views of the Missouri. Horsetail, partridge pea, and trumpet creepers are just some of the amazing species of plants growing in front of this huge piece of driftwood. They were such a stunning backdrop for the little van. After capturing a few more photos, we must continue on our hunt for the sunflowers. Sunflowers are native to the area, and they do help our pollinators, beneficial insects, songbirds, and many other species of wildlife. They're also bioremediators, and it can improve the soil with their deep taproots. As we stood in their presence, we could hear the hum of insects and the calls from a wide variety of birds. There's also something to be said about the warmth, energy, and brightness they bring to a landscape. It's really easy to see why they're such a beloved flower.
Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air, look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd. Just you and me together, it will all seem better outside. Just us and
Thanks for coming on a sunflower safari with us. The parts for the Dias have finally arrived, which means next week I'll be doing many of those maintenance items from the inspection list in last week's video. I've also got many more miles of adventures planned for the rest of the summer, so stay tuned.